In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Webflow. This is a fantastic skill to master, especially if you're building your own website or managing one for someone else. Creating new pages allows you to expand your site's content and better organize information. I'll guide you through this process using Webflow's intuitive interface. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open Webflow. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a menu filled with various options. What you need to focus on is the Pages section, which is crucial for managing and creating the pages on your site. Go ahead and click on Pages. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll see a list of any existing pages you may have already created. But today, we're adding a new one. Look for the Create New Page button and give it a click. This will prompt Webflow to open a new page setup area where you can input details for the page you're about to build. Now that you've opened the creation window, it's time to add some essential information for your new page. Begin by typing in the name of your page. The name you choose is critical, as it helps you easily identify and distinguish it from other pages within Webflow's dashboard. Next up is the slug. This is important for SEO and dictates the URL path for your new page. Choose something concise and relevant to the page's content. You also have the option to customize the access control. This can be particularly useful if you want to restrict who can view the page. For instance, you might have a members-only section on your site, or perhaps you want to control access to draft pages. This customization feature gives you control over all of that. Another important detail is the title tag. When someone opens your site in a browser, the text that appears on the tab at the top is drawn from this title tag. It's an excellent spot to incorporate keywords to boost your SEO, and it gives the visitor a quick idea of what to expect on the page. Similarly, you have the option to add a meta description. This snippet of text may appear in search engine results under the page's title. It should concisely summarize the page content to encourage clicks and reinforce your SEO efforts. After you've filled out all these details and ensured everything is just the way you want it, you'll find the Create button at the top right of your screen. Click on Create to finalize everything. And that's it. You've successfully created a new page in Webflow. You can now proceed to add content and design it according to your vision. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your website.